Welcome to part 2 of AI for Everyone. Today, we're looking at why a £500,000 marketing AI investment can still fail. While AI promises efficiency, 6 critical failures often lead to disconnected tools and zero measurable ROI. Marketing AI breaks down when it's siloed. The first issue is the multi-channel paradox. Google AI optimizes for reach, Meta for conversions, and LinkedIn for lead general. When platforms pull in different directions, your CAC goes up and your pipeline shrinks. Then there's the great homogenization. When everyone uses the same AI tools, your brand starts sounding like everyone else. This AI slop erodes your brand equity and forces buyers to choose based on price rather than value. Finally, the customer journey fails when intent signals are ignored. Sending generic nurtures to high-value accounts or deploying chatbots that give confident, incorrect answers damages your credibility instantly. The fix is a unified approach. By centralizing data and feeding AI your specific brand voice and business context, you can achieve real results. At SynaptyX, we've seen this work firsthand. We helped a telecom client cut costs by 10% through outcome-led optimization. For an automotive client, intelligent-led prioritization boosted sales productivity by 25%. It's about making AI understand your business, not just language patterns. Is your organization ready? Assess your AI readiness. Are your tools optimizing for revenue? Does your content sound distinctively like your brand? If not, you're at risk. Follow along for part 3, where we'll dive into the AI marketing stack that actually works. If you're ready to fix your AI integration, reach out. We would love to hear from everyone.